Okay, dear students, let us see what is there in this question. Three quantities used to describe the light wave are frequency, wavelength, and speed. Which quantities increase when the light passes from water to air? Okay, so light is now, like if this is water, so light is getting out of the water and it would be moving like this. So it is going to bend away from the normal, fine. Yeah, anyways, no problem. So what is going to happen? So the formula that is using all the these three variables is V is equal to V is equal to lambda into F, where lambda is the wavelength and F is the frequency. So we know that whenever a light is changing one medium into another, whether it is coming from denser to rarer or rarer to denser, the frequency doesn't change. My dear students, always understand this point, that the color sensation of the light in our eye is due to the frequency of the light. Now you see, if there is a red colored bulb inside the swimming pool, if you are in the water, even then it will look red. And if you are sitting out of the swimming pool, even then it will be red. Always remember this example that I'm giving you here. Why? Because color is directly related to frequency. And if color is not changing, frequency is not changing. Simple and straightforward. So frequency is not changing ever. So I can only say that F is equal to V divided by lambda, or I can also say that if frequency is constant, so velocity will be directly proportional to the wavelength. These are two things are directly proportional to each other. Now, this is water and this is air. So we know that the speed of light is maximum in air and lesser in water. Why we know that? Because we have defined a refractive index, that is n, and this refractive index n is given by the speed of light divided by the speed of light in the medium, and the refractive index is always greater than 1. And so this is evident from this thing that the velocity in a medium is always lesser than the speed of light. So when the light is traveling in water, glass, diamond, whatever, if it is not air, the speed of light is lesser than the speed of light, 3 into 10 power 8. Okay, so this speed is lesser. So I can say that because it is coming out of water and moving into air, the speed will increase. So definitely the speed will increase. Frequency, definitely the frequency is not going to change. And what about wavelength now? Let us see. I have already written that the wavelength is directly proportional to the speed of light. So if the speed of light is increasing, the wavelength is also increasing. Hence, 2 is also correct. Hence, the answer will be C. Let us verify the answer from the mark scheme. And yes, the answer is indeed C. So my dear students, this is how we do this question. And this is Professor Guru. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also share the YouTube channel with all your friends, okay? All the best. Bye.